Hello and welcome back to Say Yes to Cooking with me Niba. Today I am going to make a very delicious and crispy snacks which is perfect for tea time, that is cheesy crispy crackers. So let's move into my kitchen and start cooking. So here I have taken the butter at room temperature. And in this I am going to add the cheese. You can use combination of parmesan and cheddar cheese or just cheddar cheese. Some salt, black pepper, red chili powder, parsley or coriander, garlic powder. Just mix them together till they form a dough-like structure. So now all the cheese and butter and all the spices, they are nicely incorporated with each other. So now I'm going to add in this the half cup of all-purpose flour, again mix it till it forms a crumbly mixture. I'm using a back of the fork. So now we have got a crumbly mixture. All the flour and cheese are nicely incorporated with each other. So now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cold water. Mix it and we have to form a ball of dough from this. If you feel it's dry and you cannot form a dough ball from this, then you can add some more drops of water in this. So we don't have to knead it a lot, just form a ball and flatten it. Then just wrap it into the cling wrap and keep it in refrigerator for around 30 minutes so that it will be easier for us to roll it. So after half an hour I'm going to take this dough. I have already sprinkled some flour on the surface and now I'm going to roll it. So I have rolled it to 1/8 inch of the thickness and now I'm going to cut it in heart shapes. You can shape them, you can cut them in whatever shape you like. So I've cut out some crackers. Now the remaining dough which was there on the sides, I'm going to roll it back. Do it till you use all of your dough. You can roll it again and again. So now I have cut all of them, and I'm going to prick some holes, around 5 holes in each of these crackers using a toothpick, around 5 to 6 holes. Okay, so now I'm going to keep them on a baking tray which I have lined with the foil, and I have very lightly greased it with some oil. And now I'm going to place all these crackers on this tray. While I'm doing this, I have preheated my oven at 375 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so now they are ready to go into the oven. I'm going to keep it in the oven at 375 degree Fahrenheit for 15 to 17 minutes until they are nice crispy golden and little puffed up. So the time for baking them will vary according to the thickness of these crackers. So you have to adjust 1 or 2 minutes extra or less depending upon the thickness of these crackers. So now I have removed it from the oven after 15 minutes. You can see it's nice golden and they are nice crispy. Don't immediately remove it from the foil. Let them cool for around 4 to 5 minutes, and then it will be easier to remove it from the foil. And let it cool completely before you serve it. So friends, here it is. The delicious cheesy crispy crackers are ready to serve with some hot tea or coffee. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. Do hit the like button if you like the recipe, and subscribe to my channel for many such amazing recipes. This is Niva signing off. Bye bye and happy cooking.